So in this lecture, we have taken two email ID, which is a temporary email ID. And here is a website. If you can see, it's a Jockey website. And what we are going to do, we are going to log in this one. Okay, let me go first in the home page. Okay, so here is the website of Jockey. And I'm going to log in with two accounts so that I can perform some different attacks, let's say CSRF, right? So let me firstly check whether it is already registered or not. Okay, so let's say reset password. So email ID is not registered. Great. And let's check the second one. Copy from here. Okay, reset password. So it is also not registered. Now we will register both of them and we'll see that what changes will happen. Okay, so the first name, let's say for this email ID, I'm going to give the full name as let's say hello is the first name. Okay, it is asking for the mobile number. So I'm giving the mobile number is 565613336, right? Okay, password. I'm giving him 123 invalid password. Okay. Okay, so it is not taking the special character. Great. Now we are good to sign up this create my account. So this one is the first account that is year.top. Okay, so let me save this. So my account, let's go in the my account. I have these things, right? I can edit my profile, I can change my password, and I can also add the new address, correct? So let's also sign up with another account with here in the Google Chrome. So Jockey. Okay, so here it is. Here is a Jockey website. Take this. So my account, go in the my account, create an account. Full name is here Batman. Let's say here Batman. Okay, and the email password. So this one we already have given, created account. Now we are going to give this one. This is the email ID, and let's say mobile number is different, 260, right? And let's password. So I have given the password. Okay, mail and create my account. Okay, great. So now you can see here is the this is the different account, right? If you can see, it's a Batman one, and if I go in the Mozilla one, it's a hello one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, firstly I'm going to check the CSRF here. So let's say I want to some add new address, right? Let's say your name is hello, mobile number is this one, pin code, let's say 221305 or something, whatever you can give anything, right? 67. Okay, Pune. And let's say Kothrood. So this is the address which I have saved, correct? Now let's save it. Okay, so it has been saved, right? So now view all address. I'm going to just okay, so it is not confirming, not a big deal. Okay, why it is happening? I want to, so it is not giving the option to edit it, right? So not a problem. What we will do, we will just add another address. Hello, mobile number is same. Pin code is, let's say, 411068, right? And add as a score through. Now, what I will do before submitting it, right? So I'm going to just create my proxy on. Okay, sorry. So let's see the proxy. Okay, so it is on, forward, forward, forward. I don't want this. Okay. Now let's say save this, right? Now you can see here. So all the things, okay, API.jockey. So I'm going to request in, sorry, engagement tool, generate CSRF token, Control C and open one of the notepad. Okay, great. Now close this one. Let's forward it if it is the same one because it is showing something different. Forward. Okay, great. Forward. Like it's a different one. Forward. Again forward. Okay, now this one is the main one, correct? So I'm going to here just right click here. You can see here all the steps. Right click here and as engagement tools, generate CRF POC, right? And I'm going to copy this HTML and going to save here. So Control S, CSRF .html, save, yes. Now, okay, so forward. Now you can see in this one that it has been changed, right? If I click on view details, I have two addresses. Now this one is a different account, right? So what will happen if I will do something here? If I can see this is the different account, I don't have any address here, right? So let me just double click on that, and if it is changing that or not. So error message authorization has been disabled, right? So if I can tell you that here the token is different, this token is different for that one. That's what the difference. That's why it is happening. So if it is not blocking that, if it is not giving that token, then definitely it's going to change this one. So this is how you can also update the, if you are updating anything in your account, that you can directly send to other one and it will change here if there is not a you can say not a token or not a something which is blocking that CSRF. So thank you guys. I will meet in the next video.